are discussing from a topic cellular mobile communication, that is wireless local loop. So the name itself is indicating it's a wireless. That means in traditional days or ancient days we have used the copper wires. So now we are using a wireless. So it is a system that connecting the subscribers to a public switch telephone network, nothing but a local office. That means if there is a power cut, we will call a current office or immediately. So that's like it is our mobile or a subscriber means we are also having a local exchange office. So the local loop means it is connecting the subscriber to a exchange office, that is an office, or it is acting as a connection between the client and the server. So it replaces the wired connection with a wireless link. So this is the architecture of wireless local loop. This is public switch telephone network. The switching function means it routes our calls. This is a local exchange office. It consists of network unit, wireless access, subscriber unit. That means subscriber unit means devices in our premises, that is a home. Voice, we can make voice connections, fax, modem means the data and the data connections. Coming to the network unit, we are having a transceiver, means it is sending and receiving the data also. So WLL controller means it mainly controls our data, voice and everything. So access manager, AM means access manager, and HLR means home location register. We'll discuss all these core elements of WLL in our next slides. So here the PSTN means it is mainly used for the voice communications, and it is the backbone for telephony connecting to the whole WLL network. And the network unit, we have already seen there is a transceiver, controller, access manager and the home location register. Transceiver means it sends and receives the signals from the subscriber, and it also sends the signals to a subscriber. And the controller means it controls and coordinates the communication between the network unit and a subscriber unit. So access manager means it has all the authenticity of a subscriber. That means it consists of our data will be privacy, data will be secured, authenticated, everything in this through this access manager. And the home location register means it's the register consisting of all the data of a subscriber, means our location, subscription details, authentication details and everything. So next, switch function, we have already I have already told that it makes a call routing. In Telugu we can call this mallinchadam. It connecting the two calls, or it connecting a client to a server. So from the architecture we have seen that it sits between PSTN, this is PSTN, and a local exchange office. This is a switch function. So next, subscriber unit means our phones or our tabs or laptops or computers, everything comes under the subscriber unit. WLL mainly provides the voice and data interface, the internet, it will give internet access to us and other communication services also. So mainly we have seen all the core elements combined or in this WLL, that is wireless local loop. We have only discussed only the core elements, or in detail we have seen only the construction of a wireless local loop, and now we are coming to the communication flow, how a communication or how a signal is flown from a subscriber to from a subscriber to a network. So first of all, the subscriber, that means we are initiating a call or a request, nothing but if you want data, we will open a browser and we'll search everything, we'll request the data to that server. So a subscriber, that means we are initiating a call or requesting something from the server. So then signal is transmitted wirelessly to a network unit. Now here the network unit verifies the subscriber through AM, access manager, and home location register. So home location register and access manager we have already discussed. They are having our details, our authenticity and everything, and it will connect to our request. That means it will respond to our request through PSTN, through the PSTN, and to the destination, that means to whom we are going to call. And the responses are also reverse path. We can make reverse path also. That's why the name is itself indicating it's a loop. That means we can receive signals from that network, and we can make signals, or we can receive signal and send the signals. Coming to the advantages, we have already discussed, it's mainly a wireless. So it will be a hassle free, and there are no wiring required. There is no requirement of wiring, physical wiring, and the deployment will be easy, cost effective. At the same time, our data will be secured and it will be authenticated and everything. So it is easy to install and maintain also. Mainly it is ideal for remote and rural areas. In ancient days there will be disturbances, like there are no voice calls or data, nothing at all. So nowadays they are getting also the same data and the same voice or signals, everything using this wireless network. So there are also advantages, there are also some of the disadvantages through this WLL, that is wireless local loop, because it will be an interference to the environment, as we have already known that there are no birds, sparrows or nowadays because of this interference and signals from this wireless. So it is only, and it is also limited to a coverage area, and there will be interferences, and there are some quality issues from the signals, and there are the bandwidth limitations. That means it will cover only a certain area, and it always needs a regular maintenance also. And up to now we have discussed the WLL, that is wireless local loop architecture. And what is the local loop? That means it is connecting a subscriber to a network through the structure. That's why it is playing a key role in the telecom access, and it is also, we can say, it is a scope. That means it will be useful to develop 5G, 6G and everything, and it is will be very much useful to make our future generations with a great potential. Thank you.